What's going on, guys? It's Dylan Normal here, back at you with another video. And today I'm going to be putting a cold air intake on my Dodge Challenger, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like real quick. I'll get y'all when it comes in. Alright y'all, here's all the stuff. We got the new pipes for it. Here's the filter. Let's pull that up for y'all real quick. And then we got all the clamps and stuff right here. So let's pop the hood and let's get started. Also, if you're curious about what brand this is, I'll put a link down below and I'll show you a picture of it right now. Alright, y'all. So yeah, and then when we got the air filter right here, get your screwdriver or your drill or whatever you have in here and just unscrew this. Oh, I just made it tighter. All right, once you get that out, put it to the side. Then from here, you're gonna take this out like that. Put that to the side for now. All right, so you're gonna get this screw off right here. All right, once you got that screw off, just put it to the side. We're gonna have to get this thing off, so basically just get in here. All right, once you got it off. All right, I got that off finally. So basically, I was wrong. You're supposed to keep this on because you're supposed to take the whole system out. And then you're gonna come over here. All right, y'all see that this little plug right here? This plug right here. I don't know if you can see it, that plug right there. That's gonna have to come off as your sensor, so I'll get back with y'all once I get that off. Plug off, put it to the side. Here's your stock intake. Let's put it away. So then you're just gonna take it out. Like so. Stock filter, so bulky, I know. Look at all that dust coming out. Alright y'all, so at this point, this is what your interior hood is supposed to be looking right now. We got our stock air filters right here. Now let me show y'all what to do with this stuff. One second. Alright y'all, before we move on to the new intake, there's one more thing we gotta do. Basically, we gotta get this sucker out. And so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the process. When we get to where it's even, then bam. We're gonna need this later, so keep track of this. Alright y'all, so the next step in the kit, you're gonna get like a rubber busher, kind of like this. And you're gonna get the pipe that connects to the engine. And then let me take basically you're gonna slide this into this hole for your sensor. Alright y'all, so once you get that rubber bush on, alright, so once you get this rubber piece on, you're gonna get your plug, your sensor, and you're just gonna put it back in there. Alright y'all, once y'all get the sensor back on, it was quite a hassle, not gonna lie. Let me show you what we're doing. Get the clamp on. You're gonna go ahead and throw it on there. Then you're gonna tighten it. Oh, y'all got this on. Now we're gonna get that pipe from earlier. Once you get the pipe, you're gonna also need another clamp, just like so. You're gonna stick that on there. All right, guys, once you have this nice and secure, now we're gonna start with this side. Basically, we're gonna get this weather stripping on it. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so the next thing you're gonna wanna do is get this rubber piece that comes in the kit. Just get it in there. All right, so now we're gonna install the shield. You're gonna get this screw, stick it back in there. this is what the final product looks like. Let's give this thing a test ride before. Alright man, that's gonna do it for today's video. If y'all could tell, I got frustrated because it was getting dark and I was tired. But yeah, we got the job done. It sounds amazing. I'm glad I bought it. And my hair, I need a haircut, bro.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Let me know down below if y'all like the content like this. Other than that, see y'all on the next one. Peace. What the fuck? This shit happens every time.